Dive into the world of the creamy, smooth, and incredibly versatile latte. Picture a rich espresso shot boldly mingling with velvety steamed milk, the two creating a warm embrace in a mug. Topped off with a touch of frothy magic, you've got the perfect latte. But what's the secret behind this delightful drink? Espresso, a concentrated coffee brewed with special equipment, adds an intense flavor. Combine this with the smooth texture of steamed milk and you've got a perfect balance between a coffee kick and creamy comfort. The beauty of lattes? They're customizable. Swap dairy for plant-based options like oat, soy, or almond. Experiment with flavored syrups like vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut for a delightful twist. On a hot day, savor an iced latte where the espresso gets a cool refresh with chilled milk. Or even better, create your own latte masterpiece at home. Brew your espresso or strong coffee, steam your milk, pour the magic, and top it off with a dollop of delightful foam. So whether it's a pick-me-up, afternoon treat, or anytime indulgence, dive into the delightful world of lattes in your own kitchen or at your favorite coffee shop. The world of lattes awaits. Are you ready?